Which djembe drum is right for you? First up, we have the JT djembe drum, which is handcrafted in Indonesia. 6-inch actually refers to the head diameter. This one is perfect for beginners. It's an ideal first djembe. Next up, we have the 9-inch authentic Ghanaian Djembe drum. So this drum is an all-rounder. It provides a bit more resonance. And then finally, we have my favorite djembe drum, which is the 14-inch Ghanaian djembe drum. This is some serious drum. It's full size, it has a deep tone, and it's for serious players. It has a lot more of a tonal range, meaning if I hit it here, it sounds different. If I move my hand slightly forward. If you want to check out the drums, I will put a link in the description so that you can do that. Thank you so much for watching.